Hold on to your hats, folks. Stellantis, the automotive giant behind Jeep and Chrysler, just dropped a bombshell, a massive $13 billion investment into U.S. manufacturing. This isn't just pocket change. It's a bold move signaling a commitment to American jobs and innovation. But here's where it gets interesting. What exactly does this investment mean for the future of American-made vehicles? Stellantis, a major player in the transatlantic auto industry, you might recognize their stock ticker, STLA, has unveiled plans to inject a staggering $13 billion into its U.S. manufacturing operations over the next 4 years. This isn't just about keeping the lights on. It's a strategic play to revitalize their domestic operations under the leadership of CEO Antonio Filosa. Think of it as a major engine overhaul for their American presence. They're not just maintaining, they're actively trying to boost performance. The company announced on Tuesday that this significant investment will create over 5,000 new jobs across its American facilities. That's a substantial boost for local economies. The investment will be spread across plants in Michigan, Illinois, Indiana, and Ohio, focusing on the development and production of new vehicle models. We're talking about revamped factories and cutting-edge technology being implemented across the Midwest. This commitment is more than just a financial injection. It's a statement about Stellantis's belief in the American workforce and the future of U.S. manufacturing. It shows they are willing to invest in American talent and infrastructure to drive innovation and meet the evolving demands of the automotive market. And this is the part most people miss. While the announcement focuses on job creation and manufacturing, it also hints at a potential shift in Stellantis's product strategy. Will this investment lead to a greater focus on electric vehicles? Will we see more hybrid models rolling off the assembly lines? Or will Stellantis double down on traditional gas-powered vehicles? This decision could have a huge impact on the future of American roads. Now here's a question that's sure to spark some debate. Is this investment a genuine commitment to American manufacturing, or is it a strategic move to take advantage of government incentives and tax breaks? Some might argue that Stellantis is simply following the money, while others will praise them for creating jobs and stimulating the economy. What do you think? Is this a win for American workers, or a calculated business decision? Let us know your take in the comments below.